Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing a very important medicine for respiratory problems called Muconil syrup. Muconil syrup contains the active ingredient acetylcysteine, which belongs to a group of medicines called mucolytics. These medicines help thin and loosen mucus in the airways, making it easier to cough out and breathe more comfortably. Let's first understand how muconil syrup works in respiratory conditions like bronchitis, asthma, pneumonia, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Thick and sticky mucus builds up in the airways. This makes breathing difficult and causes cough. Acetylcysteine works by breaking the chemical bonds in mucus, making it thinner and less sticky. This allows the mucus to be cleared more easily through coughing. Now let's move on to the uses of muconil syrup. Doctors prescribe it for acute and chronic bronchitis, pneumonia, asthma with excessive mucus, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, cystic fibrosis. Sometimes it is also used as an antidote in paracetamol poisoning because it protects the liver. Now let's talk about the dosage. The dose depends on the age and condition of the patient. For adults, it is usually 200 milligrams to 600 milligrams per day, divided into 2 to 3 doses. For children, the dose is lower and should always be given according to the doctor's prescription. It should be taken after meals and the syrup bottle must be shaken well before use. Now let's discuss the benefits of muconil syrup. It makes mucus thinner and easier to cough out, relieves chest congestion, improves breathing, reduces coughing caused by thick mucus, provides protection in paracetamol overdose cases. Like all medicines, muconil syrup can also cause some side effects. The common ones include nausea or vomiting, stomach upset, mild diarrhea, headache. In rare cases, more serious side effects can occur, such as severe allergic reaction, rash, itching, swelling, difficulty in breathing, low blood pressure, wheezing, or tightness in chest. If any severe reaction occurs, the medicine should be stopped and medical help should be sought immediately. Now, let's move on to some precautions. Muconil syrup should only be taken on a doctor's advice. It should be used cautiously in patients with asthma because it may rarely cause bronchospasm. Patients with stomach ulcers should also be careful as it may increase stomach irritation. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should only use it if prescribed by a doctor. Drink plenty of fluids while taking muconil syrup to help loosen mucus. To summarize, muconil syrup is a very effective mucolytic medicine that helps clear thick mucus from the airways, improves breathing, and relieves cough and chest congestion. It should always be taken in the right dose and under medical supervision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more detailed videos about medicines and healthcare.